Hello.
Hello, teacher.
What's your name? How old are you? How are you today? Where are you from? What class are you in? I'm in Milit class, kindergarten school. I'm so to study here. Are you ready? Okay, look at the screen. What do you drink? I drink water. What do you drink? I drink I drink milk. What do you drink? I drink juice. What do you drink? I drink tea. What do you drink? I drink coffee. I drink good. What do you drink? I drink soda. What's this? It's a C. Very good. What is this? It's a floor. What's this? It's a Lee. Very good. What's this? It's a bed. Bedroom. What is this? It's a bath. Good. What's this? Kit. Kitchen. What is this? Gar. Okay. What's this? School. How many pens are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many pens? 5. How many pencils are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many pencils? 6. How many books are there? 1, 2, 3. There are 3. How many rulers? 1, 2. There are 2. How many crayons? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many crayons? 9. Good job. Goodbye. Goodbye, teacher. See you next time.